It's simple time once again, and this is Chef Tatong at magluluto naman tayo ng isang masarap at simple na recipe na hindi lang pang pamilya, pwede pang pangnegosyo. Eto, ready na ba tayo magluto mga ka-simple? Let's get cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha, ha.
And ang gagawin natin today ay chicken longganisa. So mga taong gusto na medyo healthier alternatives sa ating mga favorite dishes, this recipe is for you. I have 1/2 kilo of ground chicken. Importante dito, hindi lang siya very lean, kundi may kasama din siyang konting fat, no, para hindi masyadong mag-dry out ang ating chicken longganisa when we cook it. So what do we have here? We have 2 tablespoons of patis, fish sauce para maging malinamnam siya. We have 1 teaspoon of sugar. We don't want it sweet. Ang sugar natin is just to add that kind of linamnam ng konti. We have 2 tablespoons of garlic. So medyo garlicky yung ating longganisa. We have 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, or this is cracked black pepper. Yan, add natin. And to give it that linamnam factor without having to add any, flavorings, we add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. So, I'm using full cream powdered milk, and I mix it together. And just to add a little bit of, juiciness, no, to ating ground chicken, for ating chicken sausage, I add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So, I'm using canola oil here. So again, it's very important when you're making a sausage, especially ganito, is to mix it properly. You will notice yung ground chicken natin, from fresh options of course, is medyo cut into small pieces, kaya it's called minced, no? Minced meat sometimes. But by mixing it thoroughly, what happens? The protein structure of the meat will change, magiging mahibla siya. So kahit na wala siyang egg, kahit wala siyang harina, hindi na siya magbe-break, no? And I'm going to add my special spice, which is the allspice powder. Yan. 1 teaspoon allspice powder. Some fresh parsley, no? Fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, you use dried parsley. So ito lang siya. Mix lang siya. And it's best after you prepare this mixture, you chill it for around 30 minutes to 1 hour, no? So that the flavors will develop. Okay? Yan. What we're going to do is we're gonna roll our sausages, our chicken sausages, and we just get 1 spoonful, a tablespoon. Wax paper lang yung gamit ko dito. And we just roll it out. So you roll it just like a cigar, no? Or sasabihin nating gumagawa tayo ng candy. Ayan. So we just roll it like that. And we put it aside. And I'll heat up my pan to make our chicken longanisa or chicken sausages. Skinless chicken sausages. Yan. So we have our chicken longanisa ready, and we just add oil, some oil to fry. Ang chicken cooks naman quite quickly, so we don't have to add too much oil. Cover the bottom of the pan. Wait for it to heat up. And when you freeze this, you can freeze it up to 1 month. Basta properly freeze siya. And it has to be stored in an airtight container. So our oil is almost hot. And what you do is you just roll out. So easy to do. Ayan. Bango niya. Super bango. Ang bilis niyang bumango. And the allspice gives it a very nice aroma. So, you can actually add different flavors to this. You can add curry powder if you want. You can make it much thicker if you want, or I like my chicken longanisas this way. And it's already done. And hindi nga ako gentle sa pagprito. I was just like throwing it around in my pan. Pero look at it, hindi siya nag-break. Ayan. And look at that, it's really pretty. And obviously very healthy. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Kayang-kaya niyo itong gawin sa bahay. At tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple, just like our version of chicken longanisa. Simpol! Did you enjoy this video? Please follow and subscribe to our official pages, and of course, tag a friend as well.